Hello dear friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and another video about Squarespace. Today's video, I will explain to you, how to create a hover to reveal text effect in your Squarespace website. In this video, you can learn step by step with CSS code, to get reveal text hover on image. The codes are listed below. So you can copy, paste, and customize as you wish. Don't forget you need to install the Google Chrome extension, namely Find Squarespace ID. It's used to take the block ID in the text. Extension link you can access on description. Okay, let's start this video. In the tutorial to reveal text on hover image in Squarespace, I'm using version 7.1. If you are using a lower version, you need to see the tutorial for using the Fluid engine in Squarespace. Some steps for this tutorial. Add the image. Add the text. Copy-paste the text block ID. Customize the code. And the last, we can edit on mobile view. This is the CSS code that we will use, and you can customize it as you wish. Check this code in description below. In this section, we can click G on the keyboard to see the Fluid engine. Then we will add the image. Click Add Block. Select Images. Put the image in the center. Select Image. Add. Click Edit. Select the Design section. Then click Fill. The image will fill the box size. We can set the height and width as desired. Then we will add a text block. Click Add Block. Select Text. Write the code according to the description in the image. As an example, I will write like this. We can edit the font in the title with paragraph 1 and bold, as well as the description with paragraph 2. After that, we put the text at the top of the image. Adjust the size of the image. Add background by clicking this. Change background color. Adjust transparency. Justify all text. Then, we can align center of all text. Then we can save the changes. Click Exit to go to the design page. Click Custom CSS. Copy-paste the CSS code. Click the Find Block ID extension. Click here to copy ID. Paste ID here. And you can paste the ID on hover. Then a reveal text on hover image will appear like this. We can also customize the transition. Change the transition speed between normal and hover. We make faster. Then the transition speed will be faster. Then we will make changes in mobile view. Put a text block at the top of the image. Then click Save and we will try to edit the hover text on the image. In the media only section, we can change the min width according to the device size. We try to change it to a minimum of 240 pixels. Click Save. OK, then we will try. Then a reveal text on hover image will appear like this on the mobile display. Okay my friend, we have succeeded in creating a reveal text on hover image in Squarespace. You can create hover text on image as you wish. Don't forget, you can copy and paste the code CSS in description bellows. Okay my friend, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get more information about Blogger. See you on next video.